Hey guys, let's talk about funnels. So today we're going to actually be setting up quick funnels. GoHighLevel has made it pretty easy for us to actually have like a drag and drop kind of funnels, and they look pretty good. They're exactly what you need to actually create high converting funnels. Now we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Before we start though, my name is Ashwa. I've been with GoHighLevel for about 1 year and some months. I've been thankfully successful with GoHighLevel. I have multiple clients under my belt. I've been working with them for a while. I know the system. I've been working and I love this. I love GoHighLevel with passion, and this is why I'm here to teach it to you guys. Anyways, let's get right into it here. So what we're going to do here, guys, we're going to completely start something on blank. So we're not even going to start a template, and I'll tell you why, guys. So we're going to go test demo funnel. Okay. So when we're starting from scratch, the reason why is there's already pre-built kind of templates, that sections that you can kind of like drop in. So they made it really easy for us to actually just create on a whole new page, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's taking a second. Refresh that. All right, perfect. All right, it's here. We're gonna add a step. We're also gonna be a new step. So demo 1. And we're also gonna create demo 2, just to have the page here so we can go in and actually do it. So, all right, so now we should have 2 pages. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's use this blank page. We're gonna use this. What are we doing here? So use a blank page, create a blank page, sorry. So now right here under pre-built sections, we can go ahead in here and say there's like these pre-templated one with photo, one with an image plus a photo. Anyways, so to start with, the easy ones are usually these ones here. And then for instance, if you're actually I'll give you a good funnel to actually run here, guys. If you're actually I would say subscribed with Play. Play is an ad platform where actually you can help build run ads for client, and it's like instantly almost. So what you can do, attention target audience, like attention business owners, right? Run AI ads. Run AI ads without spending thousands of dollars on expensive agencies. This is just like a headline that you can like show people, right? So maybe like, yeah, so thousands of dollars on expensive agencies, that would be our headline. This is what basically kind of tells you run ads, and then this is like, if they're spending thousands of, like, can't afford it, right? This is like something that relates to them. And then expensive agencies is probably something they've already got burnt, they already got something like that, so they already feel that. Now you can say here, no experience. All right, so this is the way we build the funnel now, and we can have our own logo here. Put your email here, support@yourbrandname.com. Now this would be the pop-up setting. Here we're gonna go ahead and create the form. We're gonna go ahead and put a form here, and we're gonna let's go build in a form. So this one here. So what we're gonna do, guys, to build a form here, I like to kind of match the colors of the button and stuff like that. So we're gonna go here. I have this like extension that I use, so we're gonna go ahead and actually take this color, and then with this color right here, we're gonna come right here, to this extension, and we're gonna copy this code right here at the bottom, and then we actually open the page here. So we're gonna create a whole new form. So we're just gonna give it a second. So this is the form right here. So the first thing is we're gonna pull this out, hit these buttons, and maybe we're going to switch a couple of things right here. We're going to take the required. Can you I don't like having that required button. We'll see. We'll just go ahead and remove these. Okay, so instead we're gonna actually just put in the background. We're gonna go to option, no, so here, colors and backgrounds. We're gonna come here, we're gonna actually paste this in. We're just gonna see how things go. Okay, so with these, now go back, font color. Okay, this does not matter. Okay, so this does not matter. I think the next one is miscellaneous advanced settings. Label. I'm gonna go in white, like clear white, like that. That's perfect. Now button. We're gonna come here, back to button. We're gonna create it white, white with black font. Call it here. Get access. Okay. And then from here we can go in, and if you guys want a checkbox, I was just wondering if we can actually just remove this checkbox. Forgot. I usually just put it a text, honestly. Just do this. I don't like having a checkbox. You don't really need to have a checkbox, so what you can do is just delete this, have it as text, and just reduce the size here to like 16, or not even, or do like 12. And you can also like background, have it as your blue background if you'd like. And then you can keep it like this if you'd like, but you can also have the background as blue. So we're gonna have to just take this color real quick, come here, switch the background to this color, and then the text. See, where's the text font color? We're gonna keep it white. This kind of looks good now that we can actually take in all this right here. It's a pretty good form, demo form. So right now we basically created the form right now real quick. So if you want to add additional information, you can go ahead and just like, add this information. But usually this is what you would need, if anything, to this one. I would even actually remove this and just get full name. You want to have full name instead, just because it's less of an hassle, less fields. Maybe the button here, guys. See here. You can edit the size of the button. They actually switched this around, which is really good. It actually looks really good to have that layout. There's a button layout, I remember. No? Oh, right here. So full width. We can do 50. And not even. We can do less than 50. We can do 30. I don't like that. 35, maybe? Okay. Before doing so, we always want to quickly preview. If you guys want to have full on button here, guys, it's fine. It's up to you guys how you want to do it. This looks good to me right now. So basically we're going to come into the pop-up screen now, guys. We're going to select our form here. So this would be the background, like that. So this would pop up. Now if you guys want to add text, you would hit this plus sign here, guys, and then add in like a headline if you guys would like. Get access for it's too late. All right. Color, have it bold white. This is bold. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. So now once people pop up, we'll get access before it's late. Before it's too late. Okay. So this would be our like front page. what you would do is actually maybe through the pre-built sections, you can come here into you can either do testimonials, but I wouldn't even recommend if you're starting out. All you have to do is just like a footer, come to the footer, drag this, like, this basic footer here, and just fill up the information. Change the background if you'd like to even like be blue. If your logo is blue, match your colors for your logos and stuff like that, so everything stays incongruent. Anyways, though, now we go into the thank you page, or whatever the page is. So let's just say let's assume it's you're taking them into the SaaS website, or SaaS, SaaS, giving them the AI ads, right? You're selling them the AI ads, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take global sections again. Pre-built sections, and we're gonna go ahead and take one of these sections. Let's see. I'm first going to take this, and maybe we can remove all this right here. So, and we can actually just keep it like that. Not even, let's do 20. Okay. Then do pre-built section, plan right here, product. It's going to be plan here. Maybe you want to have a little bit of information, so you want to switch these to the plan here. Maybe we'll have a white page instead, right? Okay. And then from this white plan, we can have testimonials. Drag this down. Right after testimonials, we will have, and then maybe with this one here, you can guys take them to the main website. Have a link to the main website here on the logo if they click. So this would be like the funnel if you guys are selling this. And then let's go into the pre-built, see a little bit more information. Product, you can say partners or something like that if you guys would like. For who this is perfect. Like so we have blue section, we'll just keep that white also. And then we can say for who, and then we can list all these basically all these businesses, right? That we are maybe like, small businesses, landscaping, home improvement, whatever the niche is, right? Spas, anything else, right? And then we can pack it with the process is really good. So we can have the process here done. Now we're having the process. Now anyways, so once you have this and you have your features already in and the plans already there for you, now look at this. Now you have literally a good landing page you can work with, a fresh landing page. So let's go ahead and preview how this could go. Let's do the pop-up, and this here, go to next step, right? So we're gonna save. I'm gonna go ahead and let's do click on this. It's gonna pop up this, and then we're gonna get access. Okay, so the text is, we need to switch that inside the form, but we can type our name, our phone number, and then our email, demo@gmail.com. Anyways, get access. Now it's taking us to this page, right? Which is awesome, right? Like, we have this page, and we can even add more frequently asked questions right at the bottom, and this would be basically done for you. Now, if you guys want this to be actually done, and do you want this to be an active product? Now all you have to do is actually come back into here and add a product into each of these buttons. So let's say we have basic, pro, and agency plan. Okay, so we'll go ahead and go back and let's go to payments. It's gonna let us add a product, right? So that's good. So now, like, let's assume this is like you're selling this, you're getting on a call, and then give them access right on the call if they actually pay on the call or something like that. So I'd be like, hey, give me your credit card, and then they pay, and then you give them, you activate the plan. Okay, so basically here the product is basic AI ads, let's just call it like that. And then we're gonna come back here, it's gonna be reoccurring, and we're gonna charge 97 bucks. Okay, or $97. Okay. No trial periods. You can give them trial periods of anything. Anyways, we can save this product. Save. Oh, didn't we change it? Pricing name. Basic. I ads. And then we're gonna go 97. I'm gonna save it. Oh, already have a bunch of them. Sorry. So I think this would be, just delete that, save. So this would be one product, so AI ads, and then the next one would be Pro AI ads. And you can completely do that with Play, by the way. You can give them like access to just like Facebook only for the $4.97 or $97, and then if they want Google, you can go to the Pro, and then for the agency, they can have like multiple accounts, or I don't know, you can figure it out how you want to do it. But you maybe just want to have two plans, and then maybe the agency would open up to all of those plans, right? So all those platforms, you can run it through 9 different platforms with Play. Okay. So just to kind of give you guys an idea here, guys. So Play, you can run it through all these platforms. You have Google Search, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Google Display, and all these other forms, ways of running the ads. Okay. Anyways, so just wanted to show you guys that. So here we're doing Pro ads. So just gonna come in and have it as 197. Just call it that, or 190. See, 147, forgot what it was, and then it's going to be reoccurring, and then we're going to save it. Okay, now let's go ahead and go back. Now we have 2, and we're going to call it to agency plan. This is just randomized, guys, and we're going to do 197. Okay, reoccurring. All right, that's it. Okay, so since we have these products right now, we're going to go back to the funnel, and under a funnel, we're going to come into this page, and we're going to go products, and we're going to add the products. First one, we're going to add basic, and this is the price, and we're going to save. Okay. Same thing with this one. We're going to come back, pro plan, price, save, product. Oh, add a product, agency plan, that. Connect at least one integration. There's no integration there, so it's fine. Now what we come back in and edit, make sure the prices are matching. I think my price is a little bit off, so I have like 97, 147, and 947. So perfect like this. And now once I actually come in, I think is it gonna give me an error because I don't have anything hooked up? Oh, so now, one second. So yeah, so now what we need to do is you can do this. I'm gonna build one page. So for you guys, once that is done, you can create 3 other pages with this one, but you guys can follow exactly what I do and duplicate it 3 times for the plan. So go plan, basic plan. Okay. All right, create. You can copy that, but like it's easy to kind of, create from blank. All right, so now from this section, we're just gonna drag this. Just delete all this stuff, and then put this as 20. Now let's drag product. Let's take this. Oh no, let's keep it white here. Let's take that, and then let's just say like we're doing the basics, so it's 47, and we're just gonna delete that. Now we can delete this button. Now we can also delete this, and now what we can do is go to elements, and then go scroll all the way down, and then we're gonna do 2-step checkout. Under the 2-step checkout, let's edit the button colors to this one, so we stay congruent with our own colors. We're gonna go ahead and stop showing shipping, hide shipping. So we have just company name, email. You can even hide the company name if you want. but it's always good to have. It's not a big deal. So now you would have that, and now this is where you're actually supposed to add your product. Completely messed that up. So once you have that product here, right? So let's go back. So you can actually have this, like, checkout for all kinds of plans, like all plans, but I would rather segregate it so people are actually going right to the separate page. So here under products, we're just gonna add the basic plan, okay? Then once that is added, we're gonna go here to edit. I'm gonna pull this up and then go to step, next step, go to step. I'm gonna go to basic, okay? So we're gonna save this. So now what we're gonna do is once someone is hitting this, they're going to this page, filling up the step form, and then making the payment. Now you can have a little bit more. Now even the footer, you need to kind of update that. But you guys get the point how easy this would be, right? So even here we can add the footer. So just want to show you guys all this stuff, how easy this thing is, so we don't overcomplicating it. And then you can keep this white, switch this to black, and boom. Now we can go back and do the same thing here. We're gonna have to save, give it a second, go back here, we come back, drag this all the way down, and here you go. You guys have what is it right now, guys? 22 minutes, and I added like products, I added everything, and I'm explaining this. If you guys can like exactly actually focus, put your heads down for a minute, add your logos. It'll probably take you 30 minutes, but this is how you would create a whole landing page that actually looks nice, guys. Like, you can admit here, this looks nice. You can even add a little bit of like some fun stuff here. Let me see if I can actually add some fun stuff that I get you guys to think about. Like here, maybe you can do, let's do social icons. Let's see here. I don't like these ones. There's here social icons. Yeah. Okay. Let's delete that one. I don't like them. This one here. Let's do 50, 100 by 100. Yeah. So right here, we can remove X. And then we're going to come back to this advance. No, I don't like that. I'm under the same box. So what we're going to do is actually add a section here. We're going to add a section here, guys. We're going to bring it down, and then we're going to bring, no, we're actually going to add a row, and then we're going to add this right here, and then boom, this looks good. And then you can put a headline right in here, which says run your something like that. Okay, so it's kind of a teaser. Then that's basically how it goes, guys. Now you look at this. Now this looks amazing. You can view it. You can look at this page. We have our logo, we have our plans, we have our testimonials, we have who is it for, we have our steps and how to run the ads. We can even add the frequently paid pages, and just like do this. Now the used to people like struggle doing this. Trust me, guys, it used to take way more than that to actually create your own landing page. You would use their like crappy templates, but these actually templates look nice. They actually look literally slick. Anyways, guys, I really wanted to show you guys this, and now you basically have a funnel. You have a funnel for your own SaaS, as you can do the same thing for your GoHighLevel plans. If you're in the $297, then you would have to do it manually on a call, let them do a payment, then add their business, give them access. And if you're on the $497, then you would have to, you would just give them, just put this in, people will pay automatically, and automatically they would get their login information. Now again, for if you're doing the 297s, you probably have to do like a demo, schedule a call, let them schedule a call with you, show them the platform, teach them what it's all about, try to get the sale close on the spot or maybe on a second call, and then give them access right after, right? Just right after they pay. And